So earlier this year, I bought the newest car on the market that I've ever owned, my dream car, the Ford Ranger Raptor. So in getting the deal that I got, I needed to pay as little as possible, so I managed to snare it pretty cheap, but it meant that it didn't come with a tonneau cover or sports bars or anything, and that's what's always been lacking. So I went out and recently bought the Tuff Tonneaus Clip On 2.0 cover from Autobarn while they had a sale on, and this is my guide on how to install it. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here's the kit. The kit gives you the clamps, some protectant and screw-in rib nuts, tonneau cover, spars and runners, and instructions and a multi-tool, which actually looks really cool. So let's see what happens. The first step in the instructions is to remove the inside of your tailgate so that you can fit the lip for the tonneau cover to clip onto when the tailgate is closed. So it's pretty easy. You want to do all of the tamper-proof bolts and take the liner out. Okay, so top tip, grab the captive nut and pinch it inwards a bit. Give yourself a little bit more wiggle room. Just like that, clips in. Hasn't taken skin off your fingers. It's especially tight when you've got that mechanism there and your camera. But yeah, just take it. Squeeze them in a bit. Oh. Ow. Better. The kit's pretty comprehensive and comes with everything you need, including the multi-tool. You don't have to drill or make any holes in your car, which is nice, and it can be done in less than an hour. The kit costs $4.99 from Autobarn, which is where I ordered it from, so you can get it yourself pretty easily. And thanks to the fact they're out of lockdown, you can get it even faster now.
So the lip's now installed on the tailgate. So now we're going to do the side lips.
The side rails are the last step to be done before fitting the tonneau cover. What you will need to do though is make sure that you ensure the rails are as close to the back of the truck as possible, like as close to the back window, so that the tonneau cover sits down properly and flush before you put it on. The tonneau cover itself, like anything new, is going to be quite tight and stiff when you go to put it on. I had a little bit of trouble with the tiny lip on the back. As you can see, I reached in and grabbed a screwdriver just to try and pry it up a little so that it would clip on a bit easier, but it's gotten a lot easier in the last few days of using it. So that's the finished product, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you reckon? But yeah, leave me a comment in the description if you like it, or if you want to know where to get it, I'll add the link below. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.